Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us for our first ever Diffusion Virtual Anti-Gala. My name is Bailey, and I'm here to help you learn how to navigate Hopin so that you don't miss any of the amazing things that Diffusion has to offer. Alright, let's get started. Let's start by checking out the menu on the left side of our screen. This is the menu. Here you have 5 icons: Reception, Stage, Sessions, Networking, and Expo. When you click on one of these icons, you are brought to that page and the icon will turn blue. For example, when you open the Diffusion event, you are brought to the reception page, as indicated by the blue reception icon right here. Also always available to you on the right-hand side of your page, you will find the chat. You can type anything you want into the chat and send it off, and it will be available to everyone at the event. You can click on this icon here to send a direct message, or the bell icon will notify you whenever you have a message. If you would like to close the chat, you can click on this icon right here, and to reopen the chat, click on the very similar icon arrow pointing in the opposite direction. As I mentioned before, when you open the Diffusion event, you are brought to the reception page. On the reception page, you will find our welcoming remarks, access to our digital program, these instructions that I'm explaining right now, ways to enhance your Diffusion experience, as well as the schedule. Here, you will see all of the things that are happening tonight scheduled right here. You can find the times that they're happening right here, where it's happening, the name of the event, as well as a description. If you are looking for a specific event, you can type it in the search bar here. For example, maybe I'm looking for one of the open studios. And that brings us here. Next, we're going to head to the Stages tab. This is the Stages tab. In this tab, you will find a live feed to our very own stage at Albany Barn, where you will see music playing all night, as well as our Battle of the Brushes event. For a more description about what Battle of the Brushes is, you can head below by clicking the arrow button. This gives a full explanation of what the event is and how you can participate and help one of them win. Next, the Sessions tab. This is the Sessions tab. You can search a specific session by using this search bar up here, or scroll through and see what's available. Depending on the time of night, there will be different sessions available to you. What will always be available, though, is our auction. Click on the Auction tab, and you will find a live video feed of all of the items that we have up for sale at our auction. Click this button to look at all of the information down below. All of the Sessions tabs work this way. Usually it will be the moderator or person who is running the Sessions event that is showcased here, though. But you can always access a description down below. Click on the Sessions tab again to be brought back to the page to look at some of the other events. Maybe this time you'll go see one of the chill party lists. Next, let's head over to the Networking tab. Here, you're able to communicate one-on-one with the other members of the gala. Press Ready, Allow, and you'll be able to choose if you want to use your microphone and camera. Press Apply, and get to meeting someone new. Next, let's head over to the Expo tab. This is the Expo Booths page. Here we have all of our lovely sponsors that are sponsoring our event. You can search to find a specific sponsor if you want to learn more about them, or click on one of the sponsor pages to see a video, link to their website, and other information about them. Click back on the same icon, and you can scroll through all of the sponsors all night long. And that is how to navigate Hopin. Those are all of the useful tips and tricks of how to navigate the different sections of Hopin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you will have an awesome Diffusion event. Have a great day.